With Ukraine's drone army's capability have increased, having better drones with more experienced drone operators, Russian targets have actually become easier to take out as they're using more non-armored vehicles, often only needing one strike to take out the vehicle, or possibly one to immobilize and a second to destroy it. Not needing to be as cautious where on the system they need to strike, as all of the vehicle lacks armor, destroying more of Russia's equipment, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.